Hello traders, and welcome to our special Christmas edition on Friday, December 21st of 2012. Hope you all had a wonderful trading day today and you are ready for some fun with me here tonight with some technical analysis. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the Q's daily chart and let's see where we're at this moment. Wow, what a huge drop to the downside, to that lower area support down here that we talked about yesterday, which was at 64.65. We are testing it here, bouncing off of it, closing the day at the 50-day moving average, which you see here in red. And now let's take a look at the MACD. The MACD is confirming that down move on the chart, pointing south, continuing southbound, getting closer to the zero line. And now the volume, as you can see, we've been seeing some increase in volume here for a couple of days, and that's what we talked about yesterday and the day before. So now we are trading on a pretty decent volume. And also what's interesting here is, remember as we talked about our first lower high, our first lower low yesterday, and now we see a follow through. We see a confirmation of that down leg today, and we are finishing the day below all major areas of support like the moving averages. This is significant. So we are back below all of them in a bearish territory. So what you have to do next week is watch the 64.65 mark really closely, as well as the low of today, which was at 64.60. If we do ever break through it and close the day lower, we could continue down to that next area of support down here at 63.50. But if we do not, if we do bounce and continue to the upside, we will have some major areas of resistance to break through before we do really see a nice confirmation. First of all those moving averages, then the 60, the 66.37 mark, as well as the high of this candlestick, which was at 66.76. So all of those need to be broken in terms for us to look for any potential setups to the upside. But now also remember to take a look at the MACD and the volume to make sure they're both confirming any moves we see on the chart. Now let's move to another chart, which is a weekly chart. So let's analyze this pretty looking chart here. As you can see, we're bouncing off of a major area of support down here where you see that blue trend line, and now we are stuck in between all of those moving averages. I don't like that really much, okay? And then as you can see, the MACD is pointing higher, but we're still down in the bearish territory below the zero line according to the MACD, and we've been trading a pretty decent volume. What you have to do is look for breakouts one way or the other. If we do ever break through the high of this candle right there and close the day higher, we could have some more potential to the upside, at least to that area of resistance up here. Or if we do instead break back down, watch that lower area support really closely, because this is a significant area of support. As you can see, we bounced off of it once here before. All right, yeah, and make sure you take a look at the MACD and watch the volume. So that's all that I see here on this chart. So now let's move to another chart and let's take a look at the monthly chart. Wow, look at this. You remember that formation that we talked about some time ago? Yeah, we are way below in the bearish territory, so we're continuing to the downside according to that formation, which was a bearish formation. I hope somebody could tell me what formation it was. And we're continuing to the downside, and with the MACD confirming that move, pointing south. And take a look at this. This month's volume is not really impressive. It's not that big of a deal. I don't like that. We are trading way below the average, and also this bar is much smaller than the previous one. So this is not really what I look for, what I would like to see. But if we just see a follow through, a breakout through the low of this month, which was at 64.47, if we do also close below it, we could see continuation to the downside, and also make sure that the MACD is confirming together with the volume. All right, yeah. Hope this little analysis here helps you a little bit. So now, Merry Christmas to all of you out there, and hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season with your family and friends. Have a lot of fun, and also a happy, happy New Year, because I won't see you till after the holidays. So I'll be spending my time with my family and friends, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season again and a happy New Year. All right, so enjoy, and I will see you again next year.